Recently, attack aircraft of the Russian Armed Forces Vostok group published a video of aircraft processing Ukrainian positions in the village of Bogatyr in the southwest of the DPR. Bombers of the 11th Guards Army of the Air Force and Air Defense dropped 15 glide bombs, weighing half a ton each on the Ukrainian Armed Forces. A reconnaissance drone monitored and recorded the results of the bombing. The Ukrainian military has fortified itself in this tactically important settlement, and the Russian Armed Forces, before storming Bogatyr, are warming up the enemy's defenses with FABs. The FAB-500, a Soviet-designed 500-kilogram high-explosive aerial bomb, stands as a testament to Russia's enduring engineering prowess and its commitment to maintaining a formidable defense capability, known as the Fugasnaya Aviatsionnaya Bomba, high-explosive aviation bomb. This weapon has been a mainstay of the Russian aerospace forces and its predecessors for decades, evolving from its origins in the 1950s to meet the demands of modern warfare. With its robust design, adaptability, and recent upgrades, the FAB-500 exemplifies Russia's ability to innovate and maintain strategic superiority, particularly in conflicts like the ongoing operation in Ukraine. In recent years, Russia has transformed the FAB-500 into a precision-guided munition through the Universal Gliding and Correction Module, UMPK, a winged guidance kit developed by the Tactical Missiles Corporation. Introduced during the 2022 Ukraine conflict, the UMPK equips the FAB-500 M-62 with satellite navigation and pop-out wings, extending its range to 60 to 70 kilometers. This upgrade allows Russian pilots to release the bomb from a safe distance, minimizing exposure to enemy air defenses, a critical advantage in contested environments. The UMPK's integration of GLONASS satellite guidance ensures accuracy, with some sources claiming a circular error probable of 7 to 12 meters, rivaling Western precision munitions. The UMPK's cost-effectiveness is a standout feature. Unlike expensive Western systems, like the American JDAM, which can cost millions per unit, the UMPK transforms existing FAB-500 stockpiles into smart bombs at a fraction of the cost. This pragmatic approach reflects Russia's strategic philosophy of maximizing impact with minimal resources, ensuring that its air forces can sustain high-tempo operations. Posts on X have highlighted the UMPK's role in making the FAB-500 5 times more powerful than a 152mm projectile, while remaining affordable, allowing Russia to deploy dozens daily without straining its defense budget. The FAB-500's effectiveness in the Ukraine conflict has solidified its reputation as a game-changer. Since March 2023, Russian Su-34 and Su-35 aircraft have employed UMPK-equipped FAB-500s to strike Ukrainian fortifications, command centers, and infrastructure with devastating precision. The bomb's 250-meter damage radius and ability to penetrate concrete make it ideal for targeting hardened positions, as seen in the destruction of Ukrainian defenses in Avdiivka in February 2024. Ukrainian sources have acknowledged the FAB-500's impact, with one military expert describing it as a nightmare problem due to its power and the inability of Ukrainian air defenses to intercept it. The FAB-500 standoff capability, enabled by the UMPK, has allowed Russian aircraft to operate beyond the reach of most Ukrainian surface-to-air missiles, preserving valuable assets like the Su-34 fullback. This tactical advantage has been crucial in maintaining air superiority, particularly in frontline areas like Donetsk and Kharkiv, where FAB-500 strikes have disrupted Ukrainian counteroffensives. The bomb's versatility is further evidenced by its use against civilian infrastructure, which Russian forces argue is necessary to degrade Ukraine's war-making capacity, though this has sparked international debate. Russia's ability to adapt legacy systems like the FAB-500 also sends a message to potential adversaries. Its military-industrial complex remains innovative and resilient despite sanctions. By showcasing the FAB-500's success in Ukraine, Russia reinforces its narrative of technological self-sufficiency, appealing to nations wary of Western influence. This geopolitical leverage is a byproduct of the FAB-500's battlefield achievements, cementing Russia's status as a global military power. The FAB-500 is more than a weapon. It is a symbol of Russia's enduring military ingenuity and strategic resolve. From its Soviet origins to its modern UMPK enhanced variants, the bomb has evolved to meet the challenges of contemporary warfare, delivering unmatched destructive power with precision and economy. In Ukraine, it has proven its worth, enabling Russian forces to strike decisively while minimizing risks to pilots and aircraft. Its affordability and scalability underscore Russia's ability to sustain high-intensity operations, while its export success enhances Moscow's global influence. As Russia continues to refine and deploy the FAB-500, it remains a cornerstone of its defense strategy, embodying the nation's commitment to protecting its interests and asserting its strength on the world stage.